Hello everyone, so good afternoon. This is Faith, or Teacher Faith, and I will be having this vlog about Lingastar. 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 So this is just a snip of how you will apply at Lingastar. I'll be using this for you and for your guide also as a Lingastar teacher na din. And sorry for my voice. I've been teaching for so long na. And every night kasi nagtuturo ako. That's why this voice is not that good. So let's proceed to our main target for today. Okay, so once you go to your Google Chrome, ito, Google Chrome yan, then type Lingastar Apply, this one. Then you need to click the first, uh, this one, Lingastar, Online English Subs. So it's right. Let me help you. So kung kayo ay hindi familiar sa Lingastar, this is one of a Chinese company and they're using laptop or computer. They're not allowed to use cell phone. Ayun, yun lang yung side niya na hindi convenient siya for teachers who are starting or beginning as an ESL teacher. So for application on Lingastar, so this is all about Lingastar, which is you can see the website itself. Then there are requirements. Of course, you need to be English speaker from US, Canada, or UK, and Philippines. So we're thankful kasi kasama ang Philippines. Mostly kasi hindi, di ba, kapag lalo na foreign company, um, oh, no, not really, but as there are some companies na hindi sinasama yung mga Filipino. So we really have this opportunity. Then you need to have a bachelor's degree, yun lang yung problema. Kasi yung iba lalo na nakapagtapos ng 2 years course, so you need to have your 2 years or 4 years degree in any field of education. Then peak hours siya, Singapore time on weekdays 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and weekends all day. Kasi nga ang Chinese, day off nila yon, lalo na yung mga magulang na gusto kasama yung anak. So this one, you need also the TEFL certificate. So I have another channel which is I'll show you here, and then I'll link it down below na lang. 1 year plus online teaching platform experience. So if um pwede din na rin siguro yung about kapag nag-tutor ka, gano'n, ng mga pamangkin mo, pwede na yun. Candidates, technology requirements, Lingastar Applebee's for future classes, yun. Kailangan Intel Core i5-8 or above CPU Windows computer yung gagamitin nyo, like laptop or computer. So, why join them? So, there will be, you know, they will give you, of course, the work location is in the comfort of our home, and then time flexible, ikaw bahala, booking system siya. If you're not available, pwede mo siyang i-close. Then referral bonus meron. Ang laki ng referral bonus nila. Mas gusto ko yung referral bonus nila kasi makukuha kang $5 kapag klase yung ni-refer mo ng 5 classes. Tapos $10, another $5 for $10 kapag nakapag-class siya ng 20 classes. So, napakalaki na rin nun. Lalo na sa ating teachers na if example, hindi ka active and you just want to repair, then start work immediately. So, there will be leveling then. So, I will have another vlog about it. So, this is the application process. Once you have to apply, you need to have the basic information. Of course, device test, ito yung mahalaga kasi hindi kayo makakapasok kapag hindi kayo nag-device test. Then demo, yung demo nyo, maikli lang siya. Then training, madali lang yung training, sobrang depth. Actually, I believe nakakatuwa ang Lingastar kasi they help students at the same time teachers to communicate to each other and have a convenience in terms of learning English and helping each other to learn uh, the language itself. So I can say that if you want to apply, I will link down below my code, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will update you, and you can also suggest some content about our vlogs on my future vlogs so that um, I will mention also your name. So thank you for watching and see you at Link Start.